Hello everyone, good evening. Am I audible? Huh? Guys, am I audible? Good evening all of you. Am I audible guys? Yes, Yamini, Vishwa. Please wait. Guys, are you all ready? Yes. Okay. Everyone ready? Shall we start? Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, guys. So, how was your accounts and law paper? Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. How was your accounts and law paper? Was it good? How was it? Yes. How was it? How was it? Accounts and law paper. How was it? I think accounts was little lengthy, right? How was law paper? My dear, am I audible or not? Law paper was good, good. Jayasuri is asking, maths paper tough or not? Accounts bad, law good. Okay. Davapriya, I was about to message you whether you joined or not. I wanted to check. Okay. Where is Mugilan? Okay. Fine. Accounts more bad. Oh, law was lengthy. Okay. Law paper was good. Okay. Yes. Fine. So let me just predict how the maths paper is going to be. Paper 3 is going to be before I proceed. Okay. How the paper is going to be, I'll tell you. How maths paper is going to be, I'll tell you first. Okay. How what I am predicting. Okay. Whether paper is going to be good or bad, everything I'll tell you now. Hi Mugilan. Yes. Now listen here. This time, paper 3, what I am expecting, let me give you my honest view about paper 3. Okay. It is going to be standard only. Like very like highly expected questions are going to come. So here, what exactly you have to get prepared, I'll tell you. When the paper is going to be simple and when the paper is going to be difficult, I will tell you that. When you look at the question paper. Rakesh sir, how are you? Rakesh sir, how are you? I hope you are doing good. I think Rakesh sir, our law and DT, our one of the faculty from Mumbai. He also joined. He's also going to learn, I think, paper 3 it seems. Fine. Listen here. Thank you for joining, sir. Happy to see you. Okay. The legendary faculty of DT and law, and one of my close friend, Rakesh Mishra ji. Okay. Fine. So listen here. What I am expecting this time, I'll tell you. How the papers are going to be, I'll tell you. Papers are not going to be lengthy. Okay, paper is not going to be lengthy. That is point number one. And how to identify whether the paper is difficult or simple, I'll tell you that. See, when you read the first question itself, but that is when the first sheet itself, when the questions are mixed. Yeah, thank you, sir. Okay. When the questions are mixed, when the questions are mixed, like for example, first question is from logical reasoning, second is from statistical description of data, and third is from logical reasoning again. If such kind of mixed questions are there, then the paper is going to be difficult, my dear. You will find it difficult, but the questions are very much standard. Okay, the questions are very much standard. Then how to come out with this, I'll tell you. You need to be calm and focused. Okay, you should be calm and focused. Then only you can do it. Okay, that is the most important thing. Otherwise, you will find it very difficult. In case, first 5 questions all from ratio proportion, and the next 2 questions all from equation, all the questions of linear inequalities, all 10-15 questions are going to be from logic. Sorry, this one, time value of money. That means the most simple paper ever. That's it. Is it clear? The questions are going to be same only, but the only thing is what the mixtures. There we need to take the call. Is that clear, my dear? Fine. Yeah. So how I planned this last day revisions, I'll tell you. I'll be having revisions today. Okay. Let me see how much we can proceed, because today most tiring day for you. Already you are tired. So what we'll do is most of the students are sleeping only. Okay. So what we do is we'll divide the session into 2 parts. Okay, today some part, tomorrow some part I'm going to do. Mostly time value of money I'll be doing it tomorrow only. So today we are going to cover some simple topics which are at the same time very important topics. Let us start, my dear, and get ready to learn the tricks also. All of you listen here. First one. Let us start from ratio proportions. First question, A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Yes, we need to find out what is A by B is to B by C is to C by A. Now tell me, my dear, what is it? 2 by 3 is to, what is B by C? 3 by 4 is to, what is C by A? 4 by 2. Okay, but this is not the final answer. The final answer is going to be, right, there is some distance. Wait, my dear. Okay, now listen here. So, this I'll tell you one shortcut. 3, 4, 2. What is LCM of 3, 4, 2? What is LCM of 3, 4, 2? So, 3, 4, 2 LCM is actually what 12. So this is going to be 6 is to, sorry, it's not 6, 8. 8 is to, 9 is to, what will come, my dear? 24. 8 is to, 9 is to 24. Yes, Davapriya, you are right. Okay. Yes, 8 is to, 9 is to 24. Next, for example, 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C. Then A is to B is to C. It's vice versa, my dear, reverse order. What is LCM of 2, 3 and 4? LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is again 12. Divide each term by 12. What you are going to get? A by 6, B by 4, C by 3. So the answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. The answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Guys, are you able to follow, my dear? Next, 15% of X is equal to 20% of Y. So far, this type of questions never asked. So this time I'm expecting, that's what I given this. What is it? 60% of 15% of x is equal to 20% of y. So 15x by 100 is equal to 20y by 100. Cut. So this is 3 and 4. So can we say x by y is equal to 4 by 3? Is our answer is 4 is to 3? Yes, the right answer is 4 is to 3. Now, what is the answer for x is to y? Is equal to 2 is to 1. Find x square minus y square is to x square plus y square. Simply we need to substitute the value of x as to value of y as 1. Can you please substitute and get the answer, my dear? Yes. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. Option A, 3 is to 5. Next, A is to B is to, sorry, A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is equal to 6 is to 7 is to 8. A plus B plus C equal to 14. Then the value of C they ask you to find out. Okay, then the value of C they ask you to find out. Guys, let me solve this question. You can expect the same question in the exam. Okay, you can expect the same question in the exam. So what is given? A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is equal to what is it? 6 is to 7 is to 8. And A plus B plus C is equal to 14. Now we need to find out the value of C. Okay, now listen here. How to get this answer I'll tell you. How to get this answer I'll tell you. See, A plus B plus C is equal to 14 is given. Actually what A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 6 is to 7 is to 8. See, there is an equation, my dear. Simply you write A plus B is equal to 6. B plus C is equal to 7. C plus A is equal to 8. Take it as K. So when you add it, you are going to get 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 21K. So what is 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to 21K. 2 into 14 is equal to 21K. So 2 into 2 by 3 is equal to K. So K is equal to what? 4 by 3. Substitute here, my dear. Substitute here. In this case, A plus B is what? 6K. 6 into K is 4 by 3, which is equal to 8. Now, A plus B is equal to 8. Substitute here. 8 plus C is equal to 14. C is equal to 6. I request all to, this is a standard question, my dear. This is a standard question. Better you remember this, okay? Better you remember this so that directly answer you can mark and come, okay? So here answer is 6. Next, the salaries of A, B, C are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. If the increments of 15%, 10%, 20% are allowed respectively in their salaries, then what will be the new ratio of their salaries? Can you tell me, my dear, what will be the new ratio of the salaries? 2 is to 3 is to 5. Increments are 2 is to 15%, 10%, 20%. Can anyone give the suggestion? This question is like, mostly most of the people are asking, sir, is it from ratio proportion? Yes, my dear, it is of course from ratio and proportion. So what exactly to be done, I'll tell you. See, you take it as 200, 300, 500. First one is 15%. That means increment is 30 or 20%. So this will become 230 because 15% of 200 is 30. So therefore total amount is going to be 230. Next, 10%, again 300. So 330. Then 20%. 20% means 100 rupees, which is equal to 600. Now the answer is 23 is to 33 is to 60. Have you all got it, my dear? 23 is to 33 is to 60. Next, rupees 1 to 10 were divided among A, B, C in the ratio A is to B is 5 is to 4, B is to C is 9 is to 10. Then C gets, how much C gets? This is what we have to find out. How much C gets? Yes. Can you try this one on your own, my dear? Can you try this one? A is to B equal to 5 is to 4, B is to C is equal to 9 is to 10. Then C gets. Tell me what is C gets? His PDF is not uploaded. His PDF is not uploaded. Let me check. I thought the PDF is uploaded. Okay. Now listen here. 1210 when divided among A, B, C. So A is to B is 5 is to 4. Look at this. A is to B is 5 is to 4. Next step. B is to C is 9 is to 10. Next step. C is to A is, okay, B is to C is 9 is to 10. Then what is A is to B is to C? I think you know how to find out joint ratio. Those who don't know how to find out joint ratio, look at this. A is to B is to C is equal to 45 is to 36 is to 40. I hope you know it. Directly what? This is a shortcut. 45 is to 36 is to 40. Now the question they ask you to find out about what? Sir, they ask you to find out the C. Okay. Simply you do one thing, my dear. C part is 40. 40 divided by, add everything. 45 plus 36. 45 plus 36 is what? 81. 81 plus 40. 121. Into, how much is the total amount? Total amount is 1210. Which is equal to 400. I don't know how many of you got 400. I think Davapriya got 400. Yes, Mugilan got 400. Everyone got 400. Very good. Next step. Can you try this? Salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If the salary of each is increased by 4,000 rupees, the new ratio becomes 40 is to 57. What is Sumit's present salary? Davapriya, Mugilan, can you please tell me, my dear, whether the questions are uploaded or not? Is the PDF got uploaded or not? Tell me. Is the PDF got uploaded or not? Is the PDF got uploaded? Guys, is the PDF got uploaded? Guys, is the PDF got uploaded or not? Otherwise, I have to ask here. Okay, no sir, not yet. Wait, Davapriya. So I want you to complete 8 and 9 now. Complete it now. 2 minutes. I'll upload it. Okay. So 2 minutes, my dear. It will be uploaded in another 5 minutes. It will get uploaded. Yes. Now listen here. Here in my place there is heavy rain, thunderstorm. Everything is happening. So any time there may be some, I can face some electricity issue. Okay, so in case in between if lecture got disturbed, you don't worry, we'll be continuing, or otherwise notes material will be uploaded and all the solutions I'll record and I'll upload it, or tomorrow morning also we can join and we can take the session. Is it clear all of you? Fine. Look at this. In between if something goes wrong, we should be ready. That's what I'm preparing you people. Now, this is heavy rain is happening now. Now salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If the salary of each is increased by 4,000 rupees, their new salary becomes 40 is to 57. What is Sumit's present salary? Can anyone give me the answer? Okay. Now I will tell you one shortcut here. Salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If the salary of each is increased by 4,000, the new ratio becomes 40 is to 57. Now, here, ratio is 2 is to 3 is given. Ratio is 2 is to 3 is given. For example, if I take option A, 17,000. So, this is salary A. So, salary B definitely 25,500 because these two ratios are 2 is to 3. See, what is the trick I'll tell you? Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Look at this. What is the trick I'll tell you? The trick is the two people salary ratio is given in the options. In the options, that both the salaries which is uploaded. Can you please check it now? Can you please confirm whether the material got uploaded or not? Can you please confirm it? Guys, am I audible? Am I there? Is material got uploaded? Yes. Okay. Now, look at this. Both the options will be there in the given question itself. Look at this. One is 17,000. Other one is 25,500. Uploaded, right? My suggestion is only solve these questions. Many questions you can expect from this. What you have to do is solve from here. Okay. Whatever I just gave, shared, only from there you can solve and you will enjoy. Look at this, my dear. 17,000 and 25,500, 2 is to 3 ratio. Next, if the salary of each is increased by 4,000, so this will become 21,000 and this will become 29,500. So now 21,000 divided by 29,500. Cut. Now simplify, my dear. The new ratio becomes 40 is to 57. Are we getting 40 is to 57? What is the answer? Can you tell me? What could be the answer? What could be the answer? Tell me, my dear. How to find it? I'll tell you. 210 divided by 295. Find divide it. And 40 by 57. That also divide. If both are equal, then that is going to be my answer. Can you tell me what is the answer, my dear? Tell me. What is the answer? Tell me. Is 17,000, 25,500 is the answer? Yes. Say yes or no. 20,000 is not our answer. Is 17,000 is our answer? If not, then you go for none of this. Okay. Next one. A sum of 1,300 rupees is divided amongst P, Q, R and S such that P share by Q share is equal to Q share by R share is equal to R by S is equal to 2 by 3. So what is given? P by Q is equal to Q by R is equal to R by S is equal to 2 by 3. Then find P's share. Guys, can anyone tell me what is P's share is? Can anyone tell me what will be the P share? I want you to try this. Please tell me. I don't want you to touch your pen to solve this. By looking at the question, I want you to solve. Please tell me, my dear. 1,300 rupees is divided amongst 4 people. P by Q, Q by R, R by S is 2 by 3. Then what is the P share? Tell me, my dear, what could be the P share? Anyone, please? Okay. Use trial and error method. Use trial and error method. For example, option A. If I take 140, definitely this is going to be 210. Then only 2 by 3 ratio will come. If it is 210 and R is going to be what, my dear? R is going to be what? This is 105. That means 315 will come. 315. So this is not possible. Go for option B, 160. So if it is 160, then this is going to be 240. If it is 240, this is going to be 360. 360. Guys, you all understand this? See, so that the ratio becomes 2 by 3. Everywhere 2 by 3 will come. Okay, 2 by 3 will come. 540. So P is 160. Q is 240 R is 360 and 540. Can you add everything? What you are getting, my dear? Can you add everything? What you are getting? 160 plus 240, which is equal to 400. 360 plus 540, which is equal to 900. So our answer is 160. I don't know how many of you got the answer. Have you all got the answer, my dear? 160. Have you all got 160? Yes. Now, in what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses costing 50 rupees and 20 rupees per kg respectively so as to get mixture worth 1650 rupees per kg? Look at this. It's a fantastic sum, my dear. In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties pulses costing 50 rupees and 20 rupees per kg respectively so as to get mixture worth 1650 per kg? Yes. Now, in what ratio must a grocer? This is 16.50 ma. It is not. There is a mistake here. This is 16.50. So here 16.50. Alligation method. What exactly it's going to come? It is 3.5. This is 1.5. The answer is 7:3. I hope you all aware about this one, right? You know about this method, right? Okay. Next. In what ratio must water be mixed with the milk costing 12 rupees per liter to obtain mixture worth rupees 8 per liter? Can you please do this sum? In what ratio must water be mixed with milk costing 12 per liter to obtain a mixture worth 8 per liter? Look at this, my dear. In what ratio water must mixed with the milk costing 12 rupees? Okay. See, you need to understand one thing, my dear. The original cost of the milk is 12 rupees and I want to make it 8 rupees by mixing some water. Now cost of water is definitely what? 0. Okay, cost of water is definitely 0. Now by alligation method, in what ratio, my dear? In 2:1 ratio. Okay, in what ratio I have to mix the water, my dear? In 2:1 ratio we have to mix the water. Am I right, my dear? In 2:1 ratio we have to mix the water. I think answer is over. Next, I want you to solve this on your own. Two vessels A and B contain spirit and water. I think you know what is meant by spirit and water. So that the ratio becomes 5:2 and 7:6 respectively. Find the ratio in which these mixtures mixed to obtain a new mixture in vessel C containing spirit and water in the ratio 8:5. This category of problems you can expect. I can challenge you. Many of you might not done these type of questions in your practice session. Look at this. See, there is a container. There is a container. There is another container. So first container, two vessels A and B contain spirit and water in the ratio 5:2 and 7:6. So 5:2, 7:6. Now what we do? Find the ratio in which these mixture be mixed and obtain a new mixture of the vessel containing the spirit and water in the ratio 8:5. Now I am going to mix these two in a big vessel and the resultant should be what? The resultant should be what? 8:5. Okay. Now spirit in the first container 5/7. Spirit in the second container 7/13. Is that clear, my dear? 7/13. Okay. So now spirit portion I am going to put it. See, out of 7 liters, 5 liters spirit and 7 liters. 2 liters. We have got what? Water. Now 7:13. Similarly, water portion is going to be what? 2/7, and this is going to be 6/13. Okay. Now S1 plus S2, because both the quantities are getting mixed. 5/7 plus 7/13. Please cross multiply. 65 plus 49 divided by 91. So what is 65 plus 49 is 54, 114 divided by 91. Is it correct, my dear? 114 divided by 91. Is my addition is correct? 9 plus 5, 14. Remaining is 1. It's very long. Okay. Guys, you all understood how we got this? Okay. Now spirit portion we got it. Now that is what mixed. And we get 8:5. What exactly the question is, my dear? Find the ratio with these mixture to be mixed to obtain a new mixture in the vessel C containing spirit and water in the ratio 8:5. Okay. So I want 8:5 ratio, my dear. I want 8:5 ratio. So how much portion to be mixed? So I've told you how to mix and all. So I want you to try this on your own. I'll mark the answer and I'll upload it in the what we can say in the app later. Now let us start with indices. What is indices is? It is 2 power 5 divided by 3 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. Cut, 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 cut. So 2 power minus 4, 3 power minus 4, which is 3 power 4 by 2 power 4. So our answer is 81 by 16. 81 by 16. It is not 81 by 19. 81 by 16. Next one. 9 power n into 3 power 5. 27 cube divided by 3 into 81 power 4. My recommendation is, if such kind of questions comes, I request not to attend first. If you don't know. But this question is there in the book itself. In the textbook we have got. So if you remember the answer directly, better you do it. But what I suggest is everything is based on 3. Everything is multiple of 3. So my answer could be 3. The value of n could be 3. I'm not saying that this is going to be the answer. My value of the n could be 3. That's what I can tell you. Otherwise, you know the procedure, how to proceed, and you do it. Now, this one you please try it on your own. This one answer is 1. I want to do it for you because this type of questions they are asking repeatedly. So there is one rule to be remembered. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, here what is given, cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c is equal to 0 is given. So according to me, this is my a, this is my b, this is my c. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0 is given. That means what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, fine. This is the idea to be followed. So here simply what we can write, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. That means a plus b plus c, because a cube means cube of this, cube of this, cube of this is going to be a plus b plus c 3 times cube root of a b c. By cubing on both sides, a plus b plus c by 3, the whole cube is equal to a b c. Actually they ask you to find out that only. A plus b plus c, the whole cube divided by 3 is what? A b c is the answer. Fine. Next. Now 19th type of question that they are asking nowadays. Repeatedly they are asking. A is root 6 plus root 5 by root 6 minus root 5. B is root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. Find 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Is it nothing but a square plus b square divided by a square b square? Since they are reciprocals of each other, this a square b square is nothing but 1 only. So which is equal to a square plus b square, my dear. What is it? A square plus b square only. Can you please find out a square plus b square on your own? Actually, it's a very simple question. Okay. Now, we have to multiply and divide by its conjugate. And numerator is going to be 11 plus 2 root 30 and 11 minus 2 root 30. By adding these two, we are going to get 22. Okay. See, we have to find out a square plus b square. So a plus b is equal to, I'll show you my dear, what is given. A is equal to root 6 plus root 5. My dear, I'm going to teach you one shortcut. Please listen this. Okay, I'm going to teach you one shortcut. Please listen this. Okay, now look at this. Find A. Directly we can find out the value of A. Here what we have, 6 and 5. Are they two consecutive numbers? Are they two consecutive numbers? So therefore, directly what you can do is 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 2 root 6 5s are 30. Sum plus 2 times root of product. Now what is B is equal to 11 minus 2 root 30. Now A square plus B square is equal to A plus B the whole square minus 2AB. This is the formula. So here A plus B is simply going to be 22. So here it is going to be 22 the whole square minus 2AB, which is nothing but 1. So 484 minus 2. Our answer is 482. This is our A square plus B square. Now the question they ask you to find out is 1 by A square by 1 by B square. When you take LCM, A square plus B square by A square B square, this is nothing but 1. Only A square plus B square, 482. But if you want shortcut and if you want to know it directly, simply do what I am saying, my dear. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. 11 square is 21. Okay. Logic you need to understand. Sorry, 11 square. Sorry. 11 plus 11 is 12. Sorry. 22 square minus 2 will be the answer. That is 2 into 11 square minus 2. This will be the direct answer, but this will come by your practice only. Directly will not come. 482. Now, this question is very important type. Mark it very important. Put n equal to 0 ma. That's it. That is what going to be the answer. So 2 power 0 plus 2 power minus 1 divided by, this is actually plus 1. So 2 power 1 minus 2 power 0. So our answer is 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 3 by 2. My dear, mark this is very, very important. Now, previous type question, similar method will follow. I already told you. 2 into, I told you 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 into 8 square minus 2. Answer is 62. Direct answer. How did I get this 8? 5 plus 3. 8. That is what I said. My dear, once again I am telling you, there is heavy rain. In between, electricity may go off. Okay? So, if anything goes wrong, I'll put it in the app, I'll message it in the app. Tomorrow, what time we are meeting. Is that clear, all of you? So please, I hope I'm I'm clear about this, right? Because from morning, since morning, there is some issues keep on going on. So that is what. Okay. Next step. Log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 is equal to 6. We need to find out the value of x. There is a direct method, my dear. Direct method you can follow. Use 16. So is it nothing but log of plus log of, okay, so 4 log 2 to the base 2 plus 2 log 2 to the base 2, which is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is 16. Directly substitute. And this time I am expecting, my dear, 1 by log 60 to the base 3 is equal to what? Log 3 to the base 60 plus log 4 to the base 60 plus log 5 to the base 60, which is equal to log of 3 into 4 into 5 to the base 60. 3 4s are 12, 5s are 60. Log 60 to the base 60 is 1. Now, this one, log of x minus y divided by 2 is equal to half log x plus log y, then the value of x square plus y square. Now, listen here. They ask you to find out x square plus y square. So log of x minus y by 2 is equal to log of xy. So x minus y by 2 is equal to xy. So x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to, actually I am squaring it on both sides, 4x square y square. I think there is 2 is missing. 1 by 2. So this is root xy. Now squaring on both sides, x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to, when I cross multiply, this is 2xy. So x square plus y square equal to 4xy is your answer. Can you give me the answer for 25th sum? Can you give me the answer for 25th sum? Log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 plus log x to the base 64 plus log x to the base 256 is equal to 25 by 6. Base 16, base 64, base 256. (25 by 6). Okay, the 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 64 can be written as 2 power 6, and 256 can be written as 2 power 8. Simply what we can do, 1 by 2 log x to the base 2, 1 by 4 log x to the base 2 plus 1 by 6 log x to the base 2 plus 1 by 8 log x to the base 2 is equal to 25 by 6. Let us take 1 by 2 outside. Sorry. Log x to the base 2 outside. (25 by 6). Now, tell me what is the LCM? What is LCM? 24 is LCM. So, 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 25 by 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. 25, 25 get cancelled. Log 24 and this, 624 4 times. So log x to the base 2 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 power 4. X is equal to 16. See, my suggestion, I'll tell you, my dear. What you need to do, I'll tell you. I'm uploading all these questions I'm uploading. I want you to try this on your own. It is not about me trying. It is about you to try. And sir, what if I prepare only this much? Is it more than enough? If you ask me from these questions only, I think I have how many questions I've got. I'm not sure I'll be able to solve all the questions. See. Total 68 pages, around 400 questions I've got. Around 400 questions I've got. Okay. So, what is my suggestion is, better you solve all the questions on your own So I think logarithms, other type of questions and all you try, my dear. Okay. See, this type of question, log 512 divided by log 5. Even for non-mathematics students, how to approach, I'll tell you. Log 512 divided by log 5. You don't use these rules at all. You know how to find out log value by using calculator. Log 512 value will calculate. Log 5 value will calculate. Divide this directly and you'll get the answer. Okay? Fine. And what if the number of digits question asked? Simply you multiply 64 into 0.3013. Simply you multiply 64 into 0.3013. I think you may get 19 point something. So here 19 has come, so your answer is 20. If 18 has come, your answer is 19. So please remember this. This question you can expect tomorrow. See, what I'm again suggesting is only this much you solve. This is more than enough. Tomorrow all the questions are going to be there from this question bank only. Next step. If the roots of the equation 4x square minus 6x plus p is equal to 0 is 1:2, then the value of p is, there is a shortcut, of course you know it. What is it, my dear? When the ratio is p is to q, I hope you know is pq b square equal to p plus q the whole square ac. This is the rule to be followed. Pq is what? 1 into 2, b square is 36 is equal to p plus q the whole square 9 ac 4p, 9 into 4p, 9 4s are 36. So I am getting p is equal to 2, my dear. Direct answer. This shortcut, of course you know it. Next, difference between the roots of the equation. X square minus 7x minus 9 equal to 0. My dear, this is very important type. Please listen here. They ask you to find out difference between the roots. That means alpha minus beta they ask you to find out. Okay. What is given equation is x square minus 7x minus 9 equal to 0. They ask you to find out alpha minus beta. Look at this. What is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now alpha minus beta the whole square formula, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. So now what is alpha plus beta the whole square? 7 square minus 4 into minus 9. So 49 plus 36, which is equal to what? 60, 55, 85. So alpha minus beta is equal to root 85. Option B. Next, 2 power x plus y equal to 2 power 2x. This is by directly by substitution method you can do it. Don't waste your time. Next, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Please mark this question, my dear. Simply factorize it. 4 3s are. So x is equal to minus 4, y x is equal to minus 3 you will get. Alpha is minus 4, beta is minus 3. Substitute here. 16 square minus 3 plus, 16 minus 3 by 9 by minus 4. So option minus 19 by 12. Next, number consists of 2 digits in such that the digit in ones place is thrice the digit in the tens place. Digit in ones place is thrice the digit in the this place. So of course, if 36 added to the digits and the digits are reversed, if I add 36, the digits are reversed. Okay. Option C. Yes. Now, I think these are the type of questions you must be aware about it, my dear. See, you may be wondering which questions to be solved. I am sharing the questions. Okay, I am sharing the questions. These are the questions you need to solve. I am telling you once again, my dear, I am very much confident. Only from this question bank you are going to get the questions. You no need to prepare from any other book. Only prepare this. Only find the answer for these questions. It is as good as what you know. Either same question or only similar questions will be asked, my dear. No extra questions will be asked. This is my challenge. I want 60 plus. Harini, my suggestion is, what I am suggesting is, today I am not here to teach. I am here to explain the question bank. Please focus on this question bank. Fantastic question bank, my dear. I am telling you, I am challenging you from this question bank, or either the same type of questions or you can expect the same question in the exam. This is a challenge from my side. Okay, yes. Now, inequalities. Of course, you all are confident in inequalities. Okay, one shortcut I'll tell you in inequalities. What is it? I'll tell you. For example, if the problem is based on, manufacturing, okay, all the inequality sign will have less than or equal to. If the problem is based on what we can say production or what we can say diet, then we can say all the inequalities will have more than or equal to. All the inequalities will have more than or equal to. Remember this. So, for example, fertilizer company produces, that means manufacturing. So, less than or equal to. What are the numbers involved? 4 and okay, yes. So, our answer is option D. I think these type of solutions and all you must be knowing, my dear. This time you can expect this type of question. Okay, what is it? For example, okay, direct substitution you do. What is it? X plus 3 by x plus 4 equal to greater than or equal to 1. You take any value between this, between this, substitute and check it. Similarly, here also you apply. Next is time value of money. My dear, see, time value of money alone, I've got these many questions. Guys, I'm telling you, it is very difficult to solve all the questions because other 400, 500 questions are there. What my suggestion is, you want next 1.5 days, that is today, tonight, and tomorrow. Sir, what should I do, sir? Only these questions to be solved, my dear. Only these questions to be solved. Okay. Only these questions to be solved. Okay. If needed, I will give the uh, like material link in the description also. Okay, I'll give the material link in the description also. Okay, all the questions from this book only you have to solve. Clear? All the questions from this book only you have to solve. Will you all solve it, my dear? And if any new students have joined, note down my number. My dear, there is a high possibilities of what electricity issue. Guys, am I audible? Am I there? Internet fluctuation also because thunderstorm. Okay, thunderstorm. It's in your place there is raining. In your place is it raining? My dear, please download the app. Get the material. Okay, the material is given in the app only. So please download it. Only solve these questions. For any queries, you can call on this number. Okay, you can call on this number. Okay, now probability. Almost all the types I have covered. Theoretical distribution. Again, I have covered all the type. Next one is correlation and regression. It's raining na Davapriya, but here actually heavy rain, thunderstorm. That is the worry. Anytime, actually it is fluctuating here. Okay. How many questions? Going on. See, still more are coming. One paper also, one mock test paper also I have attached. Around 346 questions, my dear. It is almost 400 questions. Okay. Plus and 346 plus one more 100, which is equal to what? 446 questions. 446 questions, such a huge number of questions. Okay. See, my suggestion is those who are following my lectures, only solve these questions. Will you all do it, my dear? You tell me. Because I don't know whether I'll be able to continue this or not. Okay. Please explain 21. Mr. Vishwa. Alright, 21 is, I told you one shortcut na man. What is this? 5 and 3 is 8. Correct? If they ask you to find out x square plus y square, simply what you do? 2 into 8 square minus 2. This is the shortcut you need to remember. Yeah. Now, guys, will you all solve the questions on your own? You tell me, my dear. Will you all solve the questions on your own? Clear? Will you all solve the questions on your own? Yes. I am planning to continue tomorrow only, last day revision. Okay. So today I want you to practice entire questions. All the questions I want you to solve on your own. Tomorrow morning we'll join and we'll do the session. Is it clear, all of you? Tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. That is, morning was convenient for us. So morning we'll meet. Okay, morning we'll meet and we will proceed with the last day revision. Is it clear? Because in between there will be a problem I may face, electricity issue. Okay, by the time I want you to complete this. Will you all complete this, my dear? Will you all complete this? Say yes or no. Will you all? Tonight I want you to sit and complete. Tomorrow timing I will mostly I maybe do it in the evening also. How many hours tomorrow? Maximum 3 hours. Maximum 3 hours. Timing. I will be meeting you in the evening, my dear. Morning I think we can meet. Morning we'll meet. Yes, we'll meet in the morning. We'll meet in the morning 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Can you all complete this and come? You tell me, my dear. Can you all complete this and come? Can you all complete this and come? Say yes or no. Please. So that tomorrow lecture will be a little bit fruitful also. We may go a little fast. Can you all complete and come? Yes. So today, see, my dear, I am challenging you. Only practice from this question bank. You no need to do any extra question. It's a challenge from my side. Most of the questions are going to come from this questions or question bank, or if any of your friends are there, please suggest them. Okay. Tomorrow morning 9 a.m. we are meeting. We are meeting at 9 a.m. and we will complete. Is it clear, all of you? And I want you to ask the doubts tomorrow morning 9 a.m. Yes. Now go and take some rest. Okay, go and take some rest, and after that you start prepare this question bank on your own. Okay, after that you start prepare the question bank on your own. Tomorrow morning you please come with the doubts. Bye all of you. Good night. Sweet dreams.